Hey curl friends, I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you really quickly how I create these super defined springy curls. For this look, I'm going to be using products from the Cream of Nature Argan Oil line. This was my first time using these products, and I have to say, I was impressed. I did start off camera by washing my hair using the sulfate-free Moisture and Shine shampoo, which hydrates and detangles, which is perfect for my hair at this point because as you can see, my hair is very thirsty and very tangled to begin with. Very, very dirty. Next, I'm using the Intensive Conditioning Treatment. It strengthens, adds moisture, and prevents breakage, which is also perfect for my hair. Fun fact, which most of you may know, using a plastic bag to cover your conditioner is one of the quickest and easiest ways to trap in the heat so that your conditioner can penetrate your hair shaft, giving you maximum results. I let the conditioner sit on my hair for 10 to 15 minutes as suggested, then rinsed it out. Off camera, I also applied the Cream of Nature's Strengthen Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I sprayed it throughout my entire head, using it periodically while styling to the areas that started to dry. For this look, I'm using the old-fashioned skinny gray perm rods, the Curl Styling Cream, and the Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. I was able to finger detangle a good amount as I rinsed out the conditioner. Now I'm going in using a detangling brush as I detangle each section more thoroughly and smooth each section of hair before I apply the perm rod. I made this my last mission of the night, so I was able to let my hair air dry overnight for a heat-free style. If you don't have time to air dry your hair, you can use a hooded or bonnet dryer on a low to medium heat setting to speed up the process. If you're not using paper on the rods to roll your hair, which I did not, you'll have to be really careful removing the rods to prevent any unnecessary breakage. As you can see, the perm rods create these really pretty and super defined curls, and the foaming mousse adds the right amount of shine. Now that all the rods are removed, except that one, I add some extra virgin olive oil to my hands and begin to separate. Oh, got it. How you separate your curls is key. You want to separate each curl enough so that your hair is full, but not too much to where you lose the curls you just created. I separate in 3 ways based on feel. This is a little tricky to explain, but I'm gonna try. So the curl will either let me pull it apart naturally as I run my fingers down the middle of it, or it will allow me to separate at the ends of the curls easily, so I leave the base of the curl closest to my scalp alone, making it look fuller, or it lets me separate the base and I leave the ends of the curls stuck together. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you can watch me work through it here. If your hair is on the finer side, after you've separated, you may want to also use a pick to lift your roots to make your style more fuller and also to hide any parts that still may be visible from the perm rods. Yep, just keep separating and fluffing until you get the results you want. If you're wearing this as a style like I am, bobby pins will help you shape your style and keep those stubborn curls in place, and voila! Giving a little side eye to my concealer right now. I promise that it did not look this obvious when I walked outside. I think the lighting just really put that, yeah. Well, there you have it. Super defined, bouncy, shiny curls. I've added some photos at the end to show you how my hair held up throughout the day. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, of course, we could talk about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!